ah, ah, eh, Hello mga Bibong Pinay and welcome to our 5th week. Grabe, no? Ng ating 9th week series ng 9 binding techniques, no? So imagine, lagpas na tayo sa kalahati, no? Natutunan mo na yung the padding glue binding technique, one hole puncher, yung long arm stapler, last week yung 6 hole puncher. And this time, another learning opportunity na naman for you. No? So again, this is the exact trainings, binding tutorials na tinuturo ko inside our premium community. But this is just patikim because we have more premium and advanced binding techniques na tinuturo inside. At hindi lang yon, pati mga business trainings and all, how to market your products, how to build your brand, how to automate your processes, how to have a system that will work for you even while you sleep, homeschool your kids, or habang naglinis ka ng bahay, or namamasyal ka, kumikita ka pa rin, ano? So, yun yung ilan sa mga valuable trainings and valuable content that you will get inside our premium community. But of course, meron tayong patikim dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, again, matututunan natin kung paano gumawa ng another wow paper product. So, this time, kung inaakala natin na mahal na yan, hindi pa rin po dahil basic tool pa rin and simple tool pa rin. I think wala pa tong 500 pesos, no? Ito, pang 5th na binding tool na gagamitin natin. And also, I find this super cute because instead na gumamit ako ng photo paper for the covers, I'm using yung tinatawag nating binder, no? So, nabibili to, ready-made na to, and ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung output. And of course, wag kayong alis dahil meron akong surprise. Lagi tayong may surprise sa dulo, no? And alam ko, excited na kayong matutunan yung ating next binding technique, kaya hindi ko na patatagalin, magda-dive na tayo on our 5th binding technique.
For our 5th binding technique, we will be using the 6-hole puncher, okay? So this one naman, ito yung mga usual na nakikita natin sa market ng mga planners. Remember yung mga pinamimigay sa mga companies na mga planners before, no? So this one is you need a parang a blank binder. So it can hold yung mga pinapunch mo o yung gusto mong i-bind. So in this project, I've created a budget binder wherein ay gumamit ako ng binder para i-hold yung mga pinunch ko using this binding technique. So, madami kang pwedeng gawin. Like what I've said, you can create a budget binder or you can create a journal. Okay? So, the possibilities are endless. Okay? So, pagdating sa inspiration and creativity ng mga product na pwedeng natin gawin using this binding technique, marami pa tayong pwedeng ipakita in this community. But for now, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ginagawa ang 5th binding technique natin. This is so easy. Para ka lang gumamit ng regular na puncher, but this one is 6 yung holes niya, 6 yung butas niya. So, I'm sure excited na kayo makita how to do it, and I'm sure sisiw lang to sa inyo. So, let's go, let's try it.
Hap! Before we continue, no? So, bago ko ipakita ang actual workshop, tsaka yung mga materials na gagamitin natin for this binding technique, I just want to quickly invite you to our DIY premium community. If you want support, kung gusto mo ng coach na mag-guide sa'yo every step of the way para hindi ka maloka, hindi ka mawindang at hindi ka mawala sa pag-start na kumikita ng kabuhayan habang nasa bahay, that's actually the value that you will be getting inside our premium community. So, nabanggit ko na kanina yung ilan sa mga inclusions, but more than that, to be surrounded with moms like you, mga Filipina, home-based, mga work at home and stay at home moms na like you, they want to be intentional parents, they want to be with their families while earning at home to support their husband, no, financially. So, sama-sama tayo dito. And I'm telling you, bukod sa mga hundreds of templates and ready-made products na makukuha mo inside, these resources, these treasures will really help you earn, no? Kahit wala ka pang kahit magkano. Most of the time, inisip ng mga tao, kailangan ko ng mga equipments, kailangan ko ng printer, and kailangan ko ng papel, kailangan ko ng puhunan. Of course, kailangan mo. If you want to start a printing business, but you can actually start a digital business, no? So, pag ito, wala ka talagang puhunan. Kailangan mo lang ng phone, kailangan mo ng internet, and that's it. Kasi most of the time, wala ka namang subscription na kailangang bayaran if magbebenta ka sa Facebook or magbebenta ka sa socials, diba? So, if you don't have kahit piso pambili ng paper and all, o kahit sobrang mura ng mga binding tools na gagamitin natin, pero talagang wala ka pa rin mailabas, it's okay. I just want to give you hope that you can still start. Okay, mag-start ka magbenta ng mga digital products. And if just in case, no, hindi ka na marunong gumamit ng Canva, hindi ka magaling mag-design, hindi mo alam paano gumawa ng content and all, you have nothing to worry about. You just join our DIY Premium membership and enjoy thousands of ready-made products for you na you can sell right away both in digital and printed format. So you see, yung hope na may pag-asa, pwede ako mag-start ng kumikitang kabuhayan kahit wala ako kahit piso, kahit wala akong papel. Ayan. So, I hope to see you inside our community. And again, wag kang aalis because sa dulo, meron akong surprise for you.
For this binding technique, magugulat kayo na sobrang easy lang pala nito. Even yung materials na kailangan natin is sobrang daling hanapin sa market. So, we will be using a 6-hole puncher. It's like a regular puncher, yung ginagamit natin noong unang panahon, yung may 2 butas. This one naman is 6 yung butas niya. So, meron tayong iba't ibang brand nito, but this one is much cheaper because it's China brand. Ayan. So, and then, to bind all our papers, we need this classic binder, this blank binder. At mabibili din natin yan online. And of course, we need paper. This is an A5 pre-cut paper. Mamaya, ipapasok natin yan sa ating binder. Okay? So, let's proceed. Again, this one is it's like a regular puncher. Okay, so now, gumawa ako ng design ko sa Canva. This is a monthly budget, okay, because we will be doing a budget binder. Okay, so if you are using Canva Pro, that's super sulit because maraming templates doon that you can use. But make sure na you customize it, okay, if you want to sell it. Okay, so you just adjust yung size ng paper sa print settings. Choose mo yung A5 if your paper is pre-cut. And then, I'll make 50 copies of this. So, I'll be using my Canon Maxify para mas mabilis. This one is a pigment printer. Okay? So, ayan lang siya. Plain paper lang ang setting. Okay, A5, plain paper, and then normal. Hindi naman siya best quality. Okay, so natapos na yan. That's 50 sheets. So, here's our 6-hole puncher. Meron yan marking dyan. So, you would know kung naka-center ba yung iyong gusto mong i-punch, okay? So, ang ginagawa ko, tinutupi ko sa middle, pero lang siya, maliit lang para lang mamarkahan. O kaya you can also put scratch paper sa ibabaw, A5 size din, para meron kang marka, no? Alam mo kung saan ipapasok yung paper, saan banda at saan mo siya ipapunch. Okay, so, ayan yung kanyang butas, diba? So, it's 6 hole. Okay? So, ang kayang i-punch sa isang butasan ay mga 5 sheets. Okay? So, medyo matagal siya ng konti, pero if you are starting, pwede na rin. Okay? So, make sure na pantay yung paper mo, then ipasok mo ulit siya. Ayan. So, meron tong adjustment sa gilid. Makikita mo that you can actually punch iba't ibang sizes ng papers. Okay? So, i-adjust mo lang yung setting. Ayan. Okay. Of course, you can also explore, no? Ayan, pwede ka rin maglagay ng notes or pwede ka maglagay kunyari ng expense tracker, or you can also create income tracker, o lahat ng tracker na naiisip mo, pwede. Tapos you put it in your binder. Ako, I just want a monthly budget page and space for writing. So I have the notes. Okay, so it's up to you. You can be as creative as you can as you create yung laman na yung budget binder. Of course, yung budget binder, yung isa lang sa mga ideas that you can create. Madami ka pang pwedeng gawin using this blank binder and this 6-hole puncher. Okay, so pwede ka ding mag-create kunyari ng notebook na may iba't ibang subjects, 'di ba? So kung gusto mo mag-note, 'di ba, kunyari sa anak mo, kunyari Filipino, Science, English, as maglagay lang kayo ng tab, 'di ba? So you can create that. You can also create a gratitude journal. Ayan. So, madami. As in, the possibilities are endless. So, ilalagay na natin yan inside our binder. Okay. So, I have here mga packets. Ayan. So, ginawa ko to using my Cricut machine. So, may mga labels yan. May savings, may bills, may giving. Ayan. So, because this is a budget binder, so dyan ko ilalagay yung mga kaperahan. Ayan, may budget din syempre sa pang online shopping. Ayan. So, ayan. So, meron tayong yun, ipe-press mo lang yung taas tsaka baba. I don't know kung anong tawag doon. So, ayan. Meron din mga nabibiling mga nakabutas na ganitong paper. Okay, pero limited lang yung design, parang grid, dotted, and blank lang. So, you can create naman your own design na lang and just, bumili ka na lang ng pre-cut paper para hindi ka mahirapan. So, it's just so easy. So, after mo siyang butasan, ipapasok mo lang siya doon sa binder, and then that's it. Diba? Kung halimbawa gusto mong magbenta ng budget binder sa mga nanay na hirap magbenta. I mean, mag-budget pala, di ba? So, this is perfect for them. Di ba? Gawan mo lang sila, kunyari, din ng grocery list. Yan, kung meal planner inside the binder. So, this is very mabenta, especially sa mga nanay. And you can personalize it. Yan, pwede mong laglagyan ng name. You can use a cutting machine na like, halimbawa, Cricut Joy. Kayang-kaya niyang mag-cut ng mga vinyls like this. So again, this is the 6-hole puncher. You can try it.
You see, sobrang dali lang nung binding technique na ginawa natin. No? Kayang-kaya siya kahit ng bata, no? So imagine creating your own budget binders, mga planners na nagbibili sa market, no? So, yung mga ganitong consumable, you can really buy this, no? Sa Shopee or Lazada or I'm not sure if meron sa mall, no? So, imagine, i-print mo lang yung content and then you have your own planners na, o, diba? So, look at this. Ayan. So, ayan, diba? So, ganyan lang ka-easy. And again, we have free planner templates dito sa description box, no? So, if you want to download that, feel free to download, print that out, and pag-practicean mo, and pwede mo rin siyang ibenta. Okay? So, also, if you are interested to be part of our growing community, ilalagay ko lang din ang details sa description box. And if you want to know more, yung iba pang mga ino-offers namin that will really help you as a stay-at-home and work-at-home mom, no? So, lahat ng details nandito sa baba. Sobrang excited akong makita ang mga output nyo. So, feel free to tag me, no? If sinubukan nyo yung alinman dun sa 5 binding techniques na natutunan natin. So, meron na lang tayong 4 at I'll see you again next week. See you, mga Bibong Pinay!